Criminal law actus reas. Okay, we know our general rule. A crime equals actus reas plus mens rea plus concurrence plus causation plus the absence of defenses. A crime consists of actus reas, mens rea, concurrence, causation, and absence of defenses. So what is the actus reas element? To satisfy the actus reas element, there must be an affirmative act or failure to act when a legal duty arises. An affirmative act or failure to act when a legal duty arises. What is an actus reus? It's an affirmative act or a failure to act when a legal or moral duty arises. Failure to act or an affirmative act has to be volitional. Okay, what about this duty thing? Okay, duty to act. You do have a duty to act when you have a certain legal relationship. So, example, you're a caregiver, you're someone's jailer. You have a duty when you voluntarily assume the duty and stop and make the situation worse. And best known, hardest to remember, you, Mr. Defendant, created the risk of harm. Or there's some sort of contractual duty. Okay, what is a legal duty? 1, the defendant created the risk. 2, there's a special relationship. 3, the defendant voluntarily assumes the duty and stops and makes things worse. And 4, contractual duty. A duty can also arise by, actus reus actually, is also by omission. Remember, it's an affirmative act or a failure to act. So an omission, you have the duty to act, the physical ability to act, and fail to act. And this includes what? Oh yes, acceleration of death by omission. Okay, let's go through that rule script one more time. Actus reus is the affirmative act or failure to act when a legal duty arises. Affirmative duties arise when 1, the defendant created the risk, that's right, a special relationship. 3, the defendant voluntarily assumes the duty and then stops, makes things worse. And finally, by contract. Omission to act, failure to act when a legal moral duty arises. You have a duty to act, the physical ability to act, and you fail to act. Actus reus, 3 minutes.